Welcome to our tutorial on how to display the percent daily value of protein on your nutrition facts label. Let's dive right in. First, locate the Customize Label button on your interface. Click on it to begin customizing your label. Next, within the customization menu, find the Show Hide Nutrients option. Click on it to reveal the list of nutrients you can include on your label. Now, scroll down to find Protein Daily Value. Enable a toggle switch to display the percent daily value of protein on your label. According to the FDA, this is crucial if you're making protein-related claims or if your product is intended for children under 4 years old. Otherwise, it's voluntary. You have the option to enter the PDCAAS score for your protein. It evaluates the quality of protein based on amino acid composition and digestibility. The PDCAAS score ranges from 0 to 1, with 1 being the highest quality. A score of 1 indicates that the protein meets or exceeds essential amino acid requirements. Enter a value, say 0.5, and it will be multiplied by your recipe's protein per serving to calculate the adjusted protein value on your label. And there you have it. Once you've entered the PDCAAS score, it will be adjusted accordingly on your label.